Hi, I'm Brody with Brody's Kitchen, and I'm here to share with you some easy tips for entertaining. Everyone says they want to entertain more, but the idea of it gets a little overwhelming. And I'll let you know, one thing, you don't have to cook everything. So tonight, what I'm doing, I'm going to cook a sirloin steak. This is one sirloin, it's almost 3 pounds. It'll easily serve 6 to 8 people, and it cooks very quickly. Really, you can cook it for about 3 minutes on one side, 3 minutes on the other, and then I finish it in the oven for 3 more minutes, and that will make it a nice medium rare, which is good for most people. And then for the side dish, cheating a little bit. I went to La Mozzarella and I picked up their stuffed mozzarella. Their stuffed mozzarella is amazing. They make it themselves, in-house, every day. It's never refrigerated. So the reality it is, you and me, we aren't going to do this at home. So sometimes it's about getting the best product you can get, and your guests are going to taste the difference, and that's gonna be what wows them. And so what I did, I actually had them, instead of plating it the way they do, I had them portion it out with the mozzarella, the eggplant, and the tomatoes separately. And that way I can put together a presentation. So that's something you can easily do. Think about your favorites at your restaurant and how you might do that. Everybody's ordering in and ordering takeout more. And don't just eat it out of the container. Think about putting it on a plate and presenting it, or mixing it in with things that you're cooking at home too, to make it more unique and change it up and make it interesting. So one of the things I'm going to do is use some of these fresh cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, so I'm gonna use that with this mozzarella to make it my own. So stay with me and you'll see as we cook and get everything to. So now I'm gonna show you 3 different ways that I have actually plated this amazing mozzarella. So the first is more traditional to the restaurant version with the marinated eggplant. I have the mozzarella cheese, and then I've topped it with those cherry tomatoes that I said I wanted to use. Another way that you could do it is a little more simple, a little more rustic. Just simple chopped cut tomatoes with salt and the olive oil right next to the fresh mozzarella, which is going to be amazing. It's simple, and sometimes simple is the way to go. And then to really change things up, I took the mozzarella and sliced it even thinner, and I've done it like a bruschetta. So we've got the toasted bread and then the mozzarella topped with the diced tomatoes and the basil. So it's different ways that you can actually take the restaurant food and make it your own, make it a little bit unique. And then I absolutely love the marinated eggplant. So I've saved some of that and just have as a really great side dish on its own. And so I hope that gives you some ideas of ways to use amazing product that you can't necessarily get in the grocery store, because restaurants have better access than we do, or they're making product that is a lot better than we can get in the store. It's fresher, better quality. And so think about that as a great resource for your dinners at home, dinner party, whatever the case may be. We're all thinking about ways to support our local restaurants right now, and this is a really great way to do it. So again, I got this today at La Mozzarella. It's in Palm Beach Gardens. They're an amazing restaurant. Please check them out, and definitely have the mozzarella if you go there. Have a good night.